NPP leader and Cabinet Minister Rakkam Sangma expressed optimism about his party's prospects in the Gambegre by-election, citing strong public support. He emphasized that voters tend to favor representatives from the ruling party as they believe it facilitates access to development projects like schools, roads and hospitals. While dismissing claims of discrimination against opposition MLAs, he acknowledged that being in the government, it offers better access to resources. He identified the Trinamool Congress as the NPP's main competitor, but maintained that NPP currently holds the upper hand in the contest.
Favorable wave I have seen as people support, and looks like looks like it's a TMC, maybe one of the closest, maybe close contest with NPP. Looks like I have seen the support and turn of the people's for the campaign, so it looks the NPP's favor is going very high.
Rajya Sabha MP from Meghalaya